I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Git installed, access to the repository, and authentication method chosen. Open the GitHub repository page in your browser or navigate to the local repo folder if you prefer command line. Once done, locate the green code button on the web UI or run git remote v locally to see remotes. Make sure to decide HTTPS versus SSH now, because the URL format differs and determines how you'll authenticate when cloning or pushing. Next, you extract the exact repository URL. On the GitHub page, click Code, pick HTTPS or SSH, and copy the URL with the clipboard icon. If you're working locally, run git remote get URL origin or git config get remote origin URL to print the URL. If no remote exists, add one with git remote add origin followed by the URL, then push with git push origin main or your branch. This ensures your local repo points to the same remote you copied. Finally, verify the URL works. Clone the repository into a temporary folder with git clone and the URL to confirm access. If cloning or pushing fails, check authentication. Ensure your SSH key is loaded in the agent or switch to HTTPS with a personal access token. Also confirm file permissions on your private key. Make sure to update an existing remote with git remote set URL origin followed by the corrected URL, and then retry pushing or pulling to complete the setup successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.